Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And a question that came through the comment section is about what are the core apps that come with Windows 11 today here on the Windows 11 24H2 that I'm using. So I've actually took out every app that is an app that is a core app of Windows 11 that you won't see for the most part on other operating systems. So the first one, of course, is the Microsoft Store, which is an app store. So this is the first one where you can get software. A lot of people still download off of the internet directly when they get their games or their apps. But according to Microsoft, 250 million users a month, apparently, are using this Microsoft Store now. So that's the first one. Then you will have the Phone Link app, which is great. I use it all the time. The Phone Link app lets me take my messages, text messages, easily, take the photos that I have off my phone and bring them in my PC if I want, make calls, answer text messaging directly from the PC, and access apps and do pretty much what I want. So it's a really cool. It's a really cool app. I use it a lot. So Phone Link is another one. Then you have, of course, the Notepad, which has been part of Windows since, I guess, Windows 3 or something. Been a long time. You have the Photo app, which is the app that, if you don't have anything else, it's the app that will actually look at and be the main app to for your photo collection. So this is another one of the apps. Outlook, of course, the famous Outlook that a lot of people hate, replaces what used to be mail and calendar apps, which are now gone, and replaced with this Outlook app for email. It's an email client. The Xbox Gaming app, of course, if you're on PC, I have the Xbox Game Pass, so I, of course, do use it a lot. I've been playing retro classics in the past couple of days. And this is only on this machine. On my main gaming machine, I have a lot of games like Halo and a Plague Tale, Requiem, and so on to play. I've got Forza, lots of games that I like to play, actually. And finally, Teams, which is the replacing, or kind of wants to be in the place of a Zoom. It's the Microsoft Zoom, if you want. So Teams is what Microsoft is pushing. It's part of Windows 11 also on machines. So these are the core apps, the ones that you won't see pretty much on any other computer operating system that come with Windows 11 24H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.